Hey, welcome back to our new video. For more information, stay tuned with us. Kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. So today, the Shopify store we are discussing is the store for swimmers, athletes, or the person who just want to enjoy the underwater life, experience underwater life with the best audio service, best audio quality, and the things gadgets that are capable to work in underwater and in water that should be resistant, water resistant. So everyone is just in search for water resistant best products because there is too much scam on this. Some of the products are not water resistant and are just named by water resistant. So these water resistant products are the the unique things in the market. And if we go for the this Shopify store just provides you the best underwater audio things. Every audio things underwater that will provide you the best is H2O audio. It is not only the store, it is the innovator with the great human trafficking and the best person reviews. Like they have the many products like H2O audio has many multiple products like search for sport water app, waterproof headphones, search replacement earplugs, stream MP3 player, USB charging cable, search custom S Plus short card, earphones, search SX10. It has multiple things in multiple innovations with according to the modern technology. The things, all of these things are the best in design, best in quality, best in services, and the best quality of this store is this providing the every accessory that could be useful in under the water. And they have just make a deals with the best, like you have a pop-up and take 15% off your on first order. Like if you are a new customer in their store, you just want to place the order, so they will off you 15% on their first order, because H2O is the best in providing the products that are legit, reliable, and best in quality and long lasting. So they are the one stop shop for the underwater products. That's why its name is H2O, the water audio, because its main ambition is to provide every accessory, every best thing for that is capable under the water and that is best and useful under the water. They are innovators, that's why they just take care of the best qualities and the consequences that had to face to the customers, so that they had to they had to just satisfy their customer and resolve their every problem. For more information, stay tuned with us. Kindly share our video. See you in the next video.